Hey guys, what's up? And as you know that the next big thing in the mobile market will be the foldable smartphone. So as you know that not only Samsung is working on the foldable smartphones, even Xiaomi is still working on foldable devices. So today a new video has surfaced of Xiaomi's foldable device. This time Lin Bin, the company's co-founder and president, is using it on camera. Yeah guys, it isn't entirely clear whether the video was intended to be released or not, but whatever the case may be, we have a closer look at the Xiaomi's foldable smartphone. So the video was reposted on YouTube from Chinese social network Weibo. So this appears to be the same device we saw in a short hands-on video tweeted by Eve Leaks earlier this month. The device doesn't fold closed but rather folds backwards and has two creases. The creases can clearly be seen in the video, so we imagine that Lin Bin is showing a prototype fully opened. It looks like the display might have a 3:2 aspect. So Bin scrolls through a video app and folds the display back. The interface is able to quickly snap into the correct display mode, which likely involved a lot of work to achieve on the software side with Android. Although the screen is folded back, the entire display stays on. One important takeaway from this new video is that the power button is actually on the top of the device when holding it in portrait orientation. And guys, what this video doesn't reveal is when Xiaomi would be bringing this kind of device to the market based on the creases and dents we see on the display throughout the video. It looks like Xiaomi still has a lot of work to do before this product is ready to be mass produced. So guys, what do you think of this form factor? Is this foldable device something you see yourself getting used to? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.